In this module, we will learn trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. First, we shall know what complementary angles are. Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum equals 90 degrees. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, do you see any pair of complementary angles? Since angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degrees, they form such a pair. Now, sin A is equal to BC upon AC, cos A is equal to AB upon AC, tan A is equal to BC upon AB, cosec A is equal to AC upon BC, sec A is equal to AC upon AB, and cot A is equal to AB upon BC. Now let us write the trigonometric ratios for angle C is equal to 90 degrees minus angle A. For convenience, we shall write 90 degrees minus A instead of 90 degrees minus angle A. What would be the side opposite and the side adjacent to the angle 90 degrees minus A? Here, AB is the side opposite and BC is the side adjacent to the angle 90 degrees minus A. Therefore, sin 90 degrees minus A is equal to AB upon AC. Cos 90 degrees minus A is equal to BC upon AC. Tan 90 degrees minus A is equal to AB upon BC. Cosec 90 degrees minus A is equal to AC upon AB. Sec 90 degrees minus A is equal to AC upon BC. And cot 90 degrees minus A is equal to BC upon AB. Now compare the ratios of angle A and angle 90 degrees minus A. Observe that sin 90 degrees minus A is equal to AB upon AC is equal to cos A. Cos 90 degrees minus A is equal to BC upon AC is equal to sin A. Tan 90 degrees minus A is equal to AB upon BC is equal to cot A. Cosec 90 degrees minus A is equal to AC upon AB is equal to sec A. Sec 90 degrees minus A is equal to AC upon BC is equal to cosec A. Cot 90 degrees minus A is equal to BC upon AB is equal to tan A. So, sin 90 degrees minus A is equal to cos A. Cos 90 degrees minus A is equal to sin A. Tan 90 degrees minus A is equal to cot A. Cot 90 degrees minus A is equal to tan A. Sec 90 degrees minus A is equal to cosec A. Cosec 90 degrees minus A is equal to sec A for all values of angle A lying between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Let us take some examples to understand more clearly. Evaluate sin 65 degrees minus cos 25 degrees. We know that sin A is equal to cos 90 degrees minus A. So, sin 65 degrees is equal to cos 90 degrees minus 65 degrees is equal to cos 25 degrees. Therefore, Sin 65 degrees minus cos 25 degrees is equal to cos 25 degrees minus cos 25 degrees, that is equal to 0. Let us do one more example. Express cot 75 degrees plus sin 75 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Cot 75 degrees plus sin 75 degrees is equal to cot 90 degrees minus 15 degrees plus sin 90 degrees minus 15 degrees, which is equal to tan 15 degrees plus cos 15 degrees